It's been a long time since my last video. Life got busy, my job changed, and the days just flew by. But now, here I am back again, ready to share new adventures with you. From today, my channel is going to change, even the name. I truly hope you will be like the new direction. And this is my very first vlog in this new chapter, capturing the past few weeks of my life. I traveled back to my home country, the place where I was born. And this video is all about the journey, so sit back, relax, and let's dive right in. One day before departure, I give my car some much needed love, a full wash and detail. I even strapped it on the test cam to capture it. The next day excitement really kicked in, preparing for the airport. But of course, in the true channel fashion, packaging didn't start with clothes, it started with the drones. This time I've got something new in my travel kit, a safety battery case, perfect for keeping my drone batteries protected and ready for flight. With everything packed, it was off to the airport, and before long we were in. And then touchdown. There is always something special about this moment, looking out the window, watching the ground get closer, knowing I'm finally back in my home country. It's a mix of excitement and nostalgia, and it hit me right away. But the next day after, that's when the real fun started. I went out touring with the kids. I showed my little cousin the DJI Neo in FPV mode. He picked it up so quickly, it was amazing to watch. We went through the tutorial step by step, and before long he was flying like a pro. Day 2 was all about flying, but day 3 took us in a completely different direction. No drones this time, instead we were at the wedding celebration. And let me tell you, it was such a great time. Music, laughter, family, friends. It felt amazing to just be in the moment and enjoy it all. After the wedding party, we decided to take it slow, in full day just to rest and recharge. No cameras, no plans, only family time, relaxing and letting the energy come back. Then there came day 5 and things turned exciting again. We packed our bags and went on a trip to a spa resort. The place was beautiful, pools, saunas and calm surrounding. We spent hours swimming, playing and simply enjoying the water. It felt like a perfect escape. Of course, the drones never stay at home. I bought both of them along, flying over the resort, capturing the scenery from above. It gave a whole new perspective to the day. These little machines always bring a special magic to every trip. And the end of the day, bowling, simple fun, full of laughter, rolling the ball, cheering, competing a little. It was the perfect way to close such a balanced day, relaxing, adventure, family and fun. Day 5 had it all, memories to keep and stories worth sharing. And that's where I wrapped up this vlog. It feels good to be back, sharing moments with you again after such a long break. This should give me energy, new memories and plenty of stories to tell. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you soon in the next adventure.